Hey guys, welcome back to another Sunday reset video. In today's video, it's more like I'm not really in the mood, but we have to get this done. So basically, it's in the evening. I just went to Publix, got some fruits, stuff that the kids needed for school for the week, which we still had to do grocery shopping. But I'm a person, I like to buy certain stuff, certain places. So we stopped at Publix, just pick up a few stuff, and as soon as we're done with that, I went home, pack away the stuff. I got flowers, of course. So in this week, I just needed some, real flowers in my home just to keep the vibe alive, and we got something real colorful that matches spring vibe. Definitely, I love baby breath, and I don't know what the other one is called, but we did pick up that in Publix as well. So we're definitely going to pack away the groceries, deal with the flowers, do a floral arrangement. And disclaimer, I'm not like 100% or somebody to be so organized doing my florals. I just put them in the vase, girl, and that's it. So today's video is gonna focus on that, a little bit of self-care, and basically that's it. Just unwind, get into the mood, then go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now it's me alone, which means the kids are in bed. Some is sleeping, some is not sleeping, but it's just time for me to take care of me. Alright, I like to light a candle when it's dark, when I want to get into that mood. Definitely, the house smells so good after you're done with dinner. And girl, listen, just use a candle, okay? That thing smell up the entire room. So anyway, after we done that, I'm definitely going to take care of the flowers. Now I use sugar. I like to use ice, sugar, and you know that the flowers, they already come with the food. Added that, added some sugar and some bleach. They say it lasts longer, so child, I just do it and it works. So that's definitely what we're doing. This vase, I think, is from IKEA. I wanted something a little bit bigger, but I didn't want to take away or get rid of the fake plants. So I was like, you know what, let me just use this one because it's gonna be so packed. But I absolutely love it. It's beautiful and it's in the eyes. As soon as you enter the kitchen, you are gonna see it. So we're definitely gonna deal with the flowers, and then we are gonna take care of ourselves, take a shower, get into that skincare, that self-care vibe. It's not too much, but we have to shower, right? And I don't know who don't shower before they go to their bed, but that's the best feeling. I feel like there is stress. There's just some relief on me when I take a shower. Absolutely love doing that, and then straight to bed. So enjoy. Hey guys, we are in the bathroom, which means I'm gonna take my makeup off. I had makeup on today, and ladies, please make sure you get rid of that makeup. Don't just think a cleanser will get rid of the makeup. Use something to get rid of the makeup first before you cleanse your skin. And I'm using like a cleansing balm, which I absolutely love. I rather using the cleansing balm than the wipe. No, I feel like the wipe is too harsh on my skin, and then I just use some sensitive baby wipes to get rid of all of that. It takes care of everything in the skin. Definitely still needs to wash your face, but it feels so clean. So that's the first thing I do, and then we're gonna take a shower and make sure I put my hair up because I'm wearing a lace wig, so we have to make sure our hair is covered. Just gonna take some, a warm shower, and then we're gonna get into that skincare. And yeah, me no know who don't like for bed, but girl, you better take a shower. Alright guys, it is that time, and I'm definitely using my loofah, and I think I'm using the Method body wash. Absolutely love those. When I tell you, every body wash basically scratches my skin, and when I use this, it is so gentle. It's like I feel like everybody can use it in the house now. I absolutely love it. So I'm using my loofah first just to scrub the dirt off the skin, and then I'll go in with my rag, and yeah, that's basically it. I love to use the loofah. I doesn't use this on my private area, so I use it to scrub my feet because it's gonna scrub them feet. I know some people don't wash their feet, but girl, you have to wash your foot. You have to. So that's what we're doing, and we are done taking a shower. I'm just gonna get out, and we're gonna take care of the skin. Definitely, Skin Suvi will be out in no time. And I keep telling you guys are gonna love these skincare. We have something for your acne. We have vitamin C set, and I'm using the brightening set, which is the green label, because it helps to brighten your skin. The specific cleanser that I'm using, it has some bead-like scrubs inside of it, so you will feel like you're actually using a scrub on your skin. Love that, especially for persons who wear makeup. But this system is amazing, absolutely love it. They're gentle on your skin. I told you, you're gonna feel the difference, then see the difference. So I'm excited for the release, and then absolutely we're gonna, I just can't wait. We are gonna follow up with our toner, which I use on a cotton pad. Whenever I wear makeup, I like to use a cotton pad. If I don't wear makeup for the day, I'll just spray it on my face, and that's the reason why we go with a sprayer instead of just pouring it out, because you can just spray it on your skin. It hydrates the skin and feels amazing on the skin, getting rid of all of that makeup. And look at that, there's still makeup on your skin. So it's good to use a toner. And my husband is in the bathroom because we were listening to a video and we were cracking up, and yeah, he's about to take a shower as well. But I'm brushing my teeth, and then after that I'm gonna add my serum and the moisturizer to the skin. I'll typically probably brush my teeth first before I start doing skincare, but hey, I wash my face, tone my skin and then brushing my teeth, just so once we added the serum, it stays on. So serum feels good, feels absolutely amazing. After we added the serum, I like to let it dry before adding the moisturizer. That way all the products get to sit on the skin and have time to absorb. So that is it, guys. Absolutely love this. It feels amazing. And I'm excited. What do you guys do today? I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys, have a blessed day. I was a little bit down yesterday, wanting to get out, but I'm about to go to the lake right now. So thank you guys for being here. Enjoy until the end. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And guys, if there's a video that you want me to do, like a reset video, I know persons are asking for like a perfume collection. It's coming, sweetie, so stay tuned. Always remember, God is love. Thank you guys always. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.